Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Today is episode 5 of All Things Deep Clean, and today we're going to be starting out in the dining room. We got to get this dining room together, you guys, because the floors need to be swept, they need to be mopped, as well as the bottom of the table needs to be clean. And also I'm going to clean the top of the table, as well as the mirrors and the baseboards, you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, stick around to the end. So let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, these are all the products that I will be using throughout this video, and we're going to start out with the table. I'm going to be taking the mats off, shaking the mats, and taking off the little decor that's on the table. And what I have in this pink bowl is hot water, some I think it's called Pinelean. It's that pink bottle that I showed you that I had the at the first part of the video, and also some Ajax dish detergent. That's what's in that pink bowl. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to clean the table. I'm going to be cleaning the table in sections because, you guys, I don't know what I use on this table, and I think that it pulled the clear coat off of it, so I have to be kind of quick when I'm cleaning this table. So that's why you see me wiping the table down with a wet towel and also coming back to dry it off really quickly, because it will turn the table kind of white.
Baby, I got no excuses. I got nothing left to say. Didn't wanna stand up useless, but in the aftermath of us, I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up.
Okay, now that I am done cleaning the top of the table, I'm going to clean the floor now, because the floor really needs to be swept. It's gritty or whatever not, and also I need to get down on this floor and clean the bottom of this table. So that's why you see me mopping right now, because I'm about to get down here and clean the bottom of the table. I'm going to clean the legs and all. Okay, you guys, now that I am done, I'm going to take that same water bowl that I used for the top of the table. I'm going to clean the bottom of the table as well as the legs of the table. Plus, I'm going to dry those off as well.
Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
Okay guys, now that I have placed the baskets back up on the table, now I'm going to place the mats back on the table as well as the decor. When I was editing this video, I realized that I placed that pray sign up there backwards. So yeah, you guys, I didn't realize it until I was editing the video. Okay guys, now I'm going to be cleaning the mirrors with that Krud Kutter. It's in glass and multi-surface cleaner. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be using to clean these mirrors with.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you.
Okay guys, if you're still here, thank you so much for sticking around with me. I really do appreciate you guys for clicking on my videos and watching my videos, and also liking my videos, because it really helps my channel out. And also guys, if you're new here, my name is Natara. I do cleaning motivation videos mostly here on my channel, and also I'm thinking about throwing in some vlogs or two every now and then. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you like my energy enough to stick around for a while. I'm just cleaning the baseboards with some Spic And Span cleaner. That's what I'm going to clean all of the baseboards and parts of the wall with.
Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day it would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
away, take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite.
Okay, y'all, now I'm going to be cleaning this TV stand. It is so much stuff up on this TV stand. I'm taking everything out. I'm going to declutter it down here. And you will see later on that the kids will be coming to pick up this stuff and taking it and sorting it out and putting it where it needs to go. Because, y'all, this is a catch-all, but it needs to be cleaned because it is so dusty and dirty down there. So, yeah, you guys, that's what I'm going to be doing right here.
You never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love, can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love?
Now, you guys, I'm going to be cleaning the floors with the Pinelean and the Brillo soap for the floors. That's what I have in my mop bucket. I am also using the spin mop that I got from, I think it was called Bill Dollar Store. It's in version of roses. I got it from there, and I really do love this mop, you guys. It is another version of the Osita mop, and I really do like it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna mop the floors up, and then we will be done, you guys.
I'm trying to be patient with you now.
Okay guys, this video is coming to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching the video to the end, and also you guys, I really do appreciate you guys so much. I know you probably getting tired of me saying it, but I really do appreciate you guys. And you guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And also, I will see you guys in Sunday's video for episode 6. Bye guys.
Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you?